Hello students, let us start with one more sum based on graphical method. The sum is solve the following simultaneous equations graphically, and the two equations are 3x minus y is equal to 2 and 2x minus y is equal to 3. The first equation given is 3x minus y is equal to 2. Let's rearrange it in the form of either x is equal to something or y is equal to something. As I have told you, it is always better to the variable with the bigger coefficient to the other side towards the constant, but here again there is this minus y. So, if minus y is equal to 2 minus 3x, then y is equal to 3x minus 2, right? Or else, if you remember, we have done a similar sum where in such scenarios we can shift the constant along with the bigger coefficient and y to the other side, the smaller coefficient to the other side, right? So, what we get is 3x minus 2 is equal to minus y goes to the other side becomes plus y, and what you get actually is y is equal to 3x minus 2, right. Now, once you get this, draw the table. In the table you need to write x, y, x comma y, the variable x on the right hand side. So, assume 4 values of x, that is 0, 1, 2 and 3. Once you get the values of x, now to find the values of y, we need to substitute the values of x in the equation. Let us see the calculations. Y is equal to 3x minus 2. So, y is equal to 3 into 0 minus 2, that is 0 minus 2, which is equal to minus 2. So, you get x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 2, the point is 0 comma minus 2. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3 into 1 minus 2, that is 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1. So, when x is 1, y is 1, the point is 1 comma 1. When x is equal to 2, let us see the calculations. Y is equal to 3 into 2 minus 2, that is 6 minus 2, that is 4. So, you get y is equal to 4 and the point is 2 comma 4. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3 into 3 minus 2, that is 9 minus 2, that is 7. So, when x is equal to 3, y is equal to 7 and the point is 3 comma 7. Once you get the first table, now let us do the second table, that is 2x minus y is equal to 3. Again, if you shift 2x to the other side, you get minus y is equal to 3 minus 2x. So, plus y is equal to 2x minus 3, right? Easy. Or 3 on this side with the bigger coefficient and y to the other side. So, what we get is 2x minus 3 is equal to y, that is y is equal to 2x minus 3. Now, draw the table. The table is like x, y, x comma y. Assume any 4 values of x because x is in the right hand side. So, the 4 values are 0, 1, 2, 3, which we generally assume. Now, when x is equal to 0, y is equal to, let us see the calculation, 2 into 0 minus 3, that is 0 minus 3, that is minus 3. So, when x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 3, the point is 0 comma minus 3, which is easily plottable on the graph paper, right. When x is equal to 1, let us plot it on the, let us substitute in the equation. We get y is equal to 2 into 1 minus 3, that is 2 minus 3, that is equal to minus 1. So, when x is 1, y is minus 1 and the point is 1 comma minus 1. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 into 2 minus 3, that is 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1. So, when x is 2, y is 1, the point is 2 comma 1. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2 into 3 minus 3, that is 6 minus 3, which is equal to 3. So, the point is 3 comma 3. We get the two tables. Now, let us draw the graph. In the graph, let us first plot the points of the first table, right. The first point to be plotted is 0 comma minus 2. Let us plot it 0 comma minus 2, x coordinate is 0. So, the point will be on the y axis, 0 comma minus 2. 1 comma 1 in the first quadrant, 2 comma 4 in the first quadrant, 3 comma 7 in the first quadrant. All the 4 points are collinear. Join them. Do not forget to write the equation on it. Second, 0 comma minus 3, again the x coordinate is 0. So, the point will be on the y axis, 0 comma minus 3 will be on the y axis at minus 3. 1 comma minus 1 in the fourth quadrant, 2, 1 in the first quadrant, 3, 3 in the first quadrant. All the 4 points are collinear, join them, write the equation on it. Now carefully look at the point of intersection here. The point of intersection here, if you see, is minus 1 on the x-axis and minus 5 on the y-axis. So the point is minus 1, minus 5. As simple as that.